Hello, everyone. Ever had Windows restart in the middle of a meeting or while editing something important? Updates are essential, but you should be the one in control. In this video, I will show you how to pause updates, avoid surprise reboots, reduce bandwidth usage, and even fix device issues, all from your Windows Update settings. To start, click the Start menu and open Settings. Then navigate to Windows Update in the sidebar. If you're working on a big project, you can pause updates for up to 5 weeks, 1 week at a time. This gives you much more control over when maintenance happens. You can also click Check for updates anytime you want to install them manually. This lets you decide exactly when the installation process begins. To help avoid automatic restarts during your workday, go to Advanced Options and click Active Hours. Then select the drop-down menu and click on Manually. Here you can set your typical working hours, like 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., so Windows is much less likely to reboot while you're using your PC. I also recommend enabling Notify Me when a restart is required. This gives you a clear heads up before Windows needs to restart. Next, scroll to Optional Updates. This is where you'll often find driver fixes, which are great for solving printer, audio, or camera issues. If you want to see what has already been installed, click Update History to view a full list of recent Windows improvements. Here you have also the option to uninstall updates. Pro tip: click Delivery Optimization. Windows can share update files with other PCs using your bandwidth. Turn this off if you want to save data. If you're on a limited data plan, go to Network and Internet. Open your Wi-Fi or Ethernet network's properties. Then go to Metered Connection and toggle the switch to on. This tells Windows to limit large automatic downloads on that network. That's it. You now have much more control over when and how updates happen on your PC. No more surprises. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to Libritechia for more practical tech tips. I'll see you in the next one.